If you were to analyze the residential development in Nairobi and its environs, 4 areas will come to your mind: Kitengela area, Ngong area, Ruiru area, and Kikuyu area. Among those, Kitengela is the hotbed of affordable residential developments. And surprisingly, the quality of the homes in these areas have elevated to catch up with the areas like Ruiru, where homes are more expensive. Just look at this estate. It is very beautiful, right? It is a gated estate of 8 units, and each unit has been constructed on a 50 by 100 lot. From there, you can agree with me that the developer has done a spectacular assignment. For the millennials and their love for greenery, this estate in Kitengela should be a heaven for you. It has been done very well. It is creating a very good environment for young families and their love for nature. And this is a place where you can grow and develop your career to make enough money to shift to Karen or to shift to Chuna Estate, which is the Runda of Kitengela. Each unit in this gated estate is a 3-bedroom all-ensuite bungalow with a plinth area of 155 square meters. As I mentioned, each unit has been done on a 50 by 100 lot, and you're also getting a septic tank for all your waste. Next to it, you have a small staircase that is taking you to the employee quarters. Yes, this unit also comes with an employee quarters, and guess the price. It is 8.5 million Kenya shillings only. So if you are there and you are applying for the affordable housing mortgage, just make sure you mention to them that the price is lower than what they are giving as a maximum. From there, you can totally agree with me that this unit is very unique. It has been done very well. I love the Mazera cladding on the front face, and it is improving the look of these homes. They look very beautiful, and in combination with the red roof, these homes do not have the Ushago vibe. If you like this video, or if you like African real estate, make sure you subscribe to this channel and comment below. A car in a homestead is becoming a necessity these days, but the ability to get to is always a plus. That's why this developer has given you a 2-car parking, and it has been done very well. If you are slightly wealthier and you would want to keep 3 cars, the space is also big enough. From here, I'm going to drag all of you to the unit, and you'll see how the developer has worked on his craft. Before I got a girlfriend, I never understood the purpose of having a big space in a house. But now that I have one, I have understood that this is the least space that I require, because sometimes I need to hide from that person. From there, you can agree with me that this space has been done very well, and it is really long, big enough to fit a 9-seater couch all the way to a 10 or an 11-seater couch. In combination with the high ceilings, the room feels very airy. It has been done very well. I love it that you are getting a beautiful center light, and you have some side lights just to make sure that you get enough light during the night. This unit comes with a massive window on this side. You have a transparent door to also add a bit of light, and this unit has been painted in bright colors just to make sure that the reflections are perfect. The unit comes with 2 wings. You have the primary wing on this side, and that's where the master bedroom, the primary bedroom is. On this other side, you have the secondary wing where you have the 2 kids' bedrooms. We will see that. Right now, we are at the center of the unit, and it is welcoming us to the dining space of this home. It has been done very well. The only thing that is missing is a massive dining set to fit 8 people that you can have in such a big home. You're also getting a wash basin that has been done very well. This makes sure that your hands are very clean when you are doing some activities in the unit or when you are preparing to enjoy your meal. And it also comes with a small mirror. The dining area is opening to the kitchen as usual. I like it that you are getting a dark granite as usual, but it is not high enough to act as a breakfast table. Still on this granite table, you have a visitor's book, and I have filled these spaces for you. African Real Estate was here on this day just to represent you. So if I'm doing that for you, you should make sure that you call us when you want to purchase such a home. This is not the only home that we have on sale in Kitengela. We have a ton of them. Make sure you visit our website, africanrealestate.com. From this angle, the kitchen is beautiful. It has been done very well. I like the blend of everything. The developer has given you upper and lower cabinets just to make sure that all your crockeries, your cutlery, your utensils have massive space to be kept. This side of the kitchen has been reserved for your cleaning. That's why you are getting a double sink, a tilting faucet, a massive window to give you maximum natural light, and a space for your washing detergents. This other space has been reserved for your cooking. That's why you have this space that will be big enough to fit your 6-burner cooktop. Above it, you can add a heat extractor if you are always fascinated by one. Next to the door, you have a small pantry. It has been partitioned very well for all your dry foods, and this door is taking you to the kitchen area, the laundry area, the kitchen garden, and the employee quarters. For the people who already want to purchase this home, as I mentioned, it is 8.5 million Kenya shillings. Call us in the number attached in the first comment. And if you would want to watch a shorter video to this, make sure you check our TikTok, African Real Estate. At the entrance of the secondary wing, you have a common washroom done very well with all the fixtures that you require. On my right hand side, you have the bigger children's bedroom, finished very well. It comes with a floor to ceiling closet. I like the golden touches. The spaces have been left for your shoes, and you have its bathroom here. The bathroom just looks similar to what we saw in the common washroom. You are getting a WC, a wash basin on my left hand side, and there you have a space for your showering. The second kid's bedroom is just a replica to the first. The only difference is that this one faces the rear side of the unit and the other one faces the front side of the unit. So you get totally different views. The bathroom to this bedroom is standard in all aspects, and it would perfectly serve the needs of your teenagers. Apart from the living room, this is my other favorite room. It has been done very well. It is big enough to fit my 7x6 bed, and it comes with a massive closet for me and my partner. At the center, we are getting a dresser, a space to do a small tiny TV, and you have some sockets to connect your blow dryer or your shaving machines. From there, you can agree with me that the quality of the closet is above standard. They have been done very well. The golden touch is improving everything. I like it that you are getting some spaces down there for the shoes, and you are getting an extra 3 drawers just for you to keep the tiny garments. The bedroom comes with a massive window. You have 2 center lights and some side lights to make sure that you are getting enough light during the night. And the bathroom to this bedroom is here. The bathroom is bigger, giving you an ample space to do all your bathroom activities. I love it that it is all white, and this becomes very easy for you to clean. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you want to purchase these units, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. And if you would want to see more units in other places, just make sure you always scroll through our website, africanrealestate.com, before you call us. Anyway, that's all for today. We will see you in the next one.